If you want to learn how to create this video, come along with me in this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe. First of all, you should take a video of yourself giving a shoe to someone, and another video with another dress where you hold the shoe, and a video of you wearing the shoes and looking at them. Now hang the corner of your shoe with a thread and hold it against the plain colored wall and rotate it. Now we import the videos into CapCut, but we cut the video we took off the shoes through the overlay under the first video where we were giving the shoes to someone. And from the cutout section, select the shoe with the quick brush tool and remove the background. We set the shoe in the part where we are moving the camera and using keyframe. We set the shoe in exactly the same place and then zoom the shoe that turned to the front of the camera, and keyframe is placed between changes. Adjust the location of the shoe so that it falls on the video where we held the shoe. Be sure to adjust the keyframe with every movement of the shoe. As you can see, the shoe is in the opposite direction of the shoe that we are holding in our hands. That's why we use the mirror tool to make the shoe in the same direction as the video that we have the shoe in our hands. Change the location of the shoe as much as you can so that it is adjusted with the video. You need to reduce the distance between the keyframes to get a better result in your edit. We will remove the extra parts of the video so that the video of wearing the shoes can be placed right from the place where the shoes came into our hands. Then we export our clip and open it again in the CapCut. We will split the video from the place where we are giving the shoes. Go to the speed and go to the curves, and we will fill the gap between the video that we are giving the shoe between the video that the shoe is moving. And for making the video more attractive, we use some video effects in our edit. And I use two video effects. The first one is vibration flash and the second is circling sparkles. Because I want to seem like magic, I place the circling sparkles effect in the place that the shoe is moving. And the filter that I use is gray-orange. The tutorial has finished. Do you like the result? If you like the tutorial, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.